Okay, so I got a graph y equals 1 half x minus 0.5. So what is true was definitely linear. So this is a non-proportional relationship. Non-proportional relationship. Proportional relationship. Proportional relationship. So proportional relationship would be graphing through the y. So you would just literally put it the way I would just put what I see 1 half x. Use that keyboard minus just the way you see it 0.5. And notice that your y-intercept is not crossing the origin. And this graph goes one up to the right, one up. See, if I start from here, well, the half is a part that stinks. Either way, it goes one up to the right, one up to the right, one up to the right. So it's being non-proportional linear relationship, and you should say that non-proportional linear relationship, because the point 0, negative 0.5 is a solution. No, that's a y-intercept. Okay, so let's see here. And the slope is a fraction? No. 0 is a solution. So I'm a little confused on this one, simply because the fact of the word is a solution. 0.5. All right. So, in my opinion, this is an incorrect statement. A very incorrect statement. For this one here, see, 0, negative 0.5 is not a solution. 0, negative 0.5 is a y-intercept. A solution to a function, a linear function, is it's where the graph intersects the x-axis. 1, 0 is a solution, but not 0.05. No, that's the y-intercept. Okay, so if you're a student watching this, know the state bombed this one. It is not a solution. The equation described non-proportional because the point 0, comma, negative 0.5 is a solution. It's part of the equation. It's the initial value where the function starts. It's a y-intercept, but a solution is the 0 of the function. That we teach you in Algebra 1. Ooh, this is not good. Well, either way, I guess, since it can't be this one, the slope can be whatever it wants to be, any fraction. This is definitely not proportional. This guy does not go through 0, 0. It has nothing to do with the slope. This is the only answer it can be, but I have an issue with this answer as a response. I'd have to get, if you're a student watching this, I, as the math coordinator for the district, needs to get with the state of Texas on this one and ask, why are you saying that the y-intercept is considered a solution? They've changed the definition for solution on me then if they have. If you're a teacher watching this, this is not a good question for the kids. I have an issue with it being called the y-intercept being called a solution. So let me get with the people who decide why they can name that a solution. Is that it's not a solution. 1, 0 was a solution. Anyway, so I do have an issue with this question. So if you missed this one, that's fine. The only reason you would get it right is because these 3 don't make sense. That's the only reason. But not a good state test question.